Kate here with WTI, and if you've been curious about getting a bidet, there are so many options, but this one from iliD is a really fantastic one. What I like most about this is that you do not need electricity, so you don't need a plug-in. We did not have a plug-in near our toilet, so this one works completely independently. It also replaces your entire toilet seat, so you don't have to attach it to anything. You replace it. It is one unit, so that makes it really convenient as well. It was super easy to install. It comes with a template and everything you need, including the water hose and a filter. It goes on in just a few minutes and then you're ready to go. It has the dial on the side, so you have the two options, and you can also choose your pressure, so that's adjustable. You attach it straight to your water line. The water will be a little fresh because it's not heated, but it does work really well. I like that the nozzles completely retract, so they tuck away when you don't have the dial turned on. Make sure to measure your toilet to make sure it fits. It does have a little bit of an incline and it's a little bit of a thinner model, but I find it comfortable. It's totally fine for me. It also has the lid that closes gently, so that's so nice. You're not slamming your lid down. It has a really nice soft close. So if you want to venture into the bidet world, this is a really good one to start with, and that's my point of view.